China has cut benchmark lending rates for the first time, in fact, since October last year on Tuesday, while major state banks lowered deposit rates as authorities continue to ease monetary policy to help buffer the economy from the impact of the Sino-US trade war. The widely expected rate cuts are aimed at stimulating consumption and loan growth, this as the world's #2 economy softens while still protecting commercial lenders' shrinking profit margins. Over in the West, the U.S. Department of Justice has opened a probe into a recent breach at the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase Global. Now, the company last week said it received an email from an unknown threat actor on the 11th of May, claiming to have information about certain customer accounts as well as international documents. It expects a hit of $180 million to the $400 million mark from the cyberattack. According to reports, sportswear retailer or giant Nike is laying off some of its employees in its technology division. The company will shift some of those work to third-party vendors. It is not immediately clear how many people work in Nike's technology department. Shares of Chinese electric vehicle battery giant CATL or CATL traded as much as 18.4% above the subscription price on Tuesday. Now, this comes after the company raised $4.6 billion in its Hong Kong listing, the largest ever in the world this year, in fact. Now, CATL shares have reached 311 Hong Kong dollars each in Hong Kong after the firm sold its shares at 263 Hong Kong dollars apiece in the listing. Meanwhile, Asian markets rose on Tuesday as investor sentiment returned following the previous day's US rating fueled losses, with sentiments also boosted after China cut interest rates to historic lows. This rally tracked advances on Wall Street, where the initial sell-off sparked by Moody's removal of Washington's AAA grade soon gave way to a pushback into beaten-down equities amid hopes about US trade talks. The tech giant Microsoft will soon open new rival AI models made by Elon Musk's xAI Meta platforms, and even European startups Mistral and Black Forest Labs hosted in its own data centers, and also unveiled a new artificial intelligence tool, in fact designed to complete software coding tasks on its own. These announcements underscored the changing nature of Microsoft's relationship with ChatGPT creator OpenAI, which the company has backed and which announced a direct competing product only last week.